Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Bhaskar Mukherjee, Consultant Ophthalmologist and Medical Superintendent, Dr. Nihar Munshi Eye Foundation, Visiting Consultant at HM Diwan Eye Foundation, New Alipur, and I also have my practice in Beleghata, Kolkata. Now I'm going to speak on allergic conjunctivitis. Basically, allergic conjunctivitis are of two types, simple allergic conjunctivitis and vernal conjunctivitis. Now, simple allergic conjunctivitis and vernal conjunctivitis, the basic signs and symptoms are more or less same. There will be gritty sensation, redness. I'm showing it with a cut section of model of an eye. There will be congestion here in this conjunctiva area of the bulbar conjunctiva. There will be gritty sensation and discharge can be watery, can be mucinous. In vernal conjunctivitis, the discharge is typically ropey, a thread-like secretion. Now, in these cases, we like to find out what is the causative agent, what is the allergen which causes this kind of conjunctivitis. That has to be removed. As far as treatment is concerned, in case of simple conjunctivitis, we give nafazoline, olopatadine, and other antihistaminic drugs like bipodastin, sodium chromoglycate, etc. In vernal conjunctivitis, which basically happens in children, mainly the boys are more affected than the girls, and it happens in the spring season or in the summer season of this country. Here, apart from the other, the symptoms that I've already said, signs and symptoms, there will be small spots here. We are known as sphincter spots. And there can be pseudo-xerotoxin, a discoloration here. And also in the bulbar conjunctiva, it can be of two varieties, the palpable variety and the bulbar variety. In the bulbar variety, these signs I have said. In the palpable variety, that is below the lower lid and the upper lid, there will be small papilla formation. There will be severe itching. Now, what are the complications of vernal conjunctivitis? If left untreated, it can cause corneal infiltrates, corneal epithelial erosions, shield ulcers, and also scarring. And the most dreadful complication is the child rubs the eye and causes conical formation of the cornea known as keratoconus, which is a dreadful condition. Now, treatment of vernal conjunctivitis is all the kind of antihistaminics. Cold compress does helps. Bipodastin, azelastine, sodium chromoglycate, steroids, these helps, and alkaptadine, this helps in treating vernal conjunctivitis. But what I suggest is that keep your hands clean. We have a habit of rubbing our eyes with dirty hands, particularly the children have a habit of doing this. This aggravates the disease and causes more recurrence. So we need to treat our children and ourselves from conjunctivitis, particularly in spring and summer seasons. So I wish all of you a happy and prosperous life. Thank you.